Hi guys, and we eating. So let me put this down and make sure you comment down below. So let's eat. Got my fork and my knife. So I got my fry. TV. So I'm recording myself, my career. I'm not really crazy about pizza. I bet that's the only thing you order from that restaurant. Sweet tea. And we at the Mexican place at the restaurant. It's not like I know when my sister came here, she ordered a big bowl with all kind of meat and stuff in it. I got my fry. I'm about to put in my ketchup. Y'all have to eat it all, put it in a bowl, and take it home. You can have some. I'm recording myself. I'm recording myself. I'm listening to YouTube. Yeah. This is my neighbor food. Miss Darcy. And my mama and my sister. Pablo? And we at Pablo the Mexican restaurant. Having a good time. But this your first time being on YouTube, my girl. I know. Here. So what are we eating? I'm eating chicken. I'm eating fries. Actually, I'm eating chips. Pizza and ketchup. And my mama eating. And mama had a salad. And what you eating, my kid? Fries and chicken nuggets. And Miss Darcy eating. Mama, all my videos on video.
And some cheese enchilada.
This your first time being on videos. Thank you. Subscribe to the video. So have to keep it up. I'll be right back with y'all guys. I'm back. This is a big restaurant. Yeah. What? I'm doing this thing, y'all. Bye.
This is a fake